It's just different.
Hey, what's good? So we're about to work on some flat lays for a couple brands, Activate and Joe Fitness, and we're gonna use this hardwood floor and create some stuff for their social media and website, wherever they want to do with it. But let's get started. Here's a quick time lapse of just a few of the ideas that I put together on this hardwood floor. No, I'm not in the studio, so I didn't have, standard backdrops, but this is kind of what it looks like to go real fast. Okay, so that was some basic flat lays, 6 different sets and a few different options. Just want to get them started on some easy stuff like that. Let's put it in the editor and see what they look like, what they come out like. So I hopped into Lightroom and I began to compose the images, shape them up, get all the lines square and everything so it's not so, off balance. Then I moved on to figuring out how I want to look overall, the colors, bringing back the shadows in certain areas. So this is like a snakeskin pattern. And on like the darker colors, like the blues and those neutral tones, it gets a little lost with that hardwood look. So I used a brush tool and I brushed some of those colors back. Then I came in and brought up the exposure a little bit. As you can see in the top right, the histograms mostly dead center. Most of my colors are right there, so I know they were exposed properly, so that therefore I had the latitude to move those colors up and back and kind of play with them and get everything the way desired. But check out the images, and this is how they came out.